Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And I have got today two BeautyFIX boxes from the Dermstore. And you might be wondering, why do you have two? That's a great question. I'm not 100% sure, but it's my fault. So I had, if I remember correctly, I believe I prepaid for 6 boxes, or I signed up for a 6-month subscription, something like that. And I saw I was coming to the end of it. So then I signed up, then I believe I committed for 12 months because the Dermstore, like the longer you commit, the cheaper the boxes are. So I think I have like an overlap of when my old subscription was ending and when my new one is starting. But I do need to go online to make sure I don't have two overlapping for months to come. Because I don't need to, probably don't need one, but I like them. So it's going to be really interesting to see, am I getting the same things in the boxes? I would assume yes, but I guess we are going to test that theory out. So up on the screen, you are going to see the price for the BeautyFIX box by Dermstore. This is one of those, like, historically, the price seems to change. Like, what I pay, and then I'll go online to double check, and I'll see, well, wow, people get a better deal now than I got before. So what I'm sharing on the screen is what the pricing was at this particular point in time. Okay, so both these say child. It would be interesting to see if these both have like the same number to know if they, are different, but we're gonna open them and see. Okay, so the BeautyFIX box by Dermstore is always an amazing value. You are going to see that as I unbox the things. But the first we got by MZ Skin Hydra Lift Gold Face Mask. Lifting and Hydrating Hydrogel Face Mask. All right, so we have a nice face mask. And I like when it's not a solid piece for these masks. Whatever that was. Because it like when it's a solid piece, they don't like fit my face right. And sometimes I feel like it pulls around my eyes. I don't know, but I like when they're separated, and that's what this is. So, okay. Next we have, let's see here, by Goop Beauty, Goop Glow. It's 5 mils. It's Microderm Instant Glow Exfoliator. Does this look like baby size? Let's see. Well, what does it? Directions. Massage onto clean, damp skin using circular motions. Leave on for up to 3 minutes and then rinse with water. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Okay, so it's a facial exfoliator. OMG. I think this is one of the smallest things, you guys. Look at this baby. Oh my gosh, let's open it to see actually how much. So there's the product, the amount of product. It's a stretch that this is going to last 1 use. It's definitely not going to last 2 uses. So what the heck is up with this? Maybe it's good that I got 2 boxes, with this size. So look at that little thing. All right. Okay, next, by Wander Beauty Double Date. It's an eyeshadow duo. You know, I don't remember this box being all deluxe and maybe travel size. I thought I would have gotten bigger items before. Okay, I'm going to put up on the screen if I am thinking correctly, if I've gotten bigger items before. Oh, excuse me. All right, let's check out. Okay, so this is Wink and Bay. Look at those colors. So these are definitely not color. Well, what am I saying? I don't wear eyeshadow as it is. But I would think it has to, I think it has to be a special person that could pull off a pink eyeshadow. Yeah. All right, now actually this is nice. It's like a double stack. This color is actually very, very pretty. It's like a gold shimmer, I think. White shimmer. It's got an iridescent. So that actually is very pretty. All right, let me look at the, oh, all right. This is actually a cream. And there's the color. That's actually really pretty as well. Oh, that is very pretty. And I guess this seems more red. And let me sample this one. Does it have? OMG. Oh, wow. Look at that iridescent. Not me, but I can appreciate pretty, and that's pretty. That is, I might play around and see. That's actually really, really pretty. So I think I'm going to play. So there's that. And my baby goop. Okay. Next, we got another small by Sunday Riley. And this is their CEO Afterglow. So it's a brightening vitamin C gel cream. It is 1/2 ounce. What's the deal with the baby sizes? Okay. Here we go. All right, so wheel. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, there's the color. So makes sense, vitamin C, it's going to have a tint to it. So for me, this actually is probably gonna go a great distance. Like, you know, it's gonna last for me. So bad cats are running by. So yes, it's tiny, but the amount of product in there for me, that's gonna last for a little while. So, okay. And then last but not least, we got another baby. This is by Grande Cosmetics. So it's Grande Lash MD. It's a lash enhancing serum. It's a 4-week supply. So again, these are, I can't use these. Even putting it on the lash line, the stuff gets in my eyes. It bothers my eyes. So it says 94% saw healthier looking lashes, 91% saw longer looking lashes, suitable for contacts and lash extensions. Why would you want to use them when you have lash extensions? I guess maybe to put it on the bottom, maybe? Yeah. Let's see here. And kind of over the whole getting the lash this stuff. I'm over it. So it had a little seal there, but it easily came off. So there's the oh. So it's liquid. So it's like that's on me. It's liquid. I should have known better. It's not a gel. So when I tipped it, it poured all out. Well, a good amount poured out, as you can see here on my hands. Yeah, but there, oh my goodness, Terry, what the heck? What am I doing today? All right, so there's a little lash thing. And I'm gonna have to, you know what? Let me use some of these crinkles to clean up. So not a big deal that I just pretty much, I think, wasted majority of that, because it would have been something that I would have been paying it forward. Yeah. All right, so let's talk about it. For the price, I mean, I can't complain. I cannot complain for the price we pay. But I am interested to go, I am going to go back and look. Maybe this has always meant to be deluxe sizes and travel sizes. And I am looking to see, do these have anything that says, like, not, sample, not for resale? I don't see it on this. Well, this is full size. I doubt this isn't a sample size. We're not going to see that on here. And this, I highly doubt we're not going to see it on there as well. So deluxe sizes, we get our value, the values here. Let's open the next one and see if it's the same thing. I think it's got to be, right? Let's see here. All right. Yep. Okay, so we got another mask. We got another Wander. I'm not going to open this one. We've got another Baby Goop. We got another the CEO. I'm not going to open that because that is bottom sealed and it's top sealed. Bottom and top sealed. And then we have another one of these. So yeah, exact same. So, okay, so this one I'll pass for, or I'll pay that one forward. This I'll keep because, I need some extra exfoliant because there's not much in there. But yeah. All in all, I'm happy. Didn't need to, but that's on me. So, all right, guys. I hope you enjoyed another boxing, and you guys take care. Bye, everyone.